How to fix and solve connection on the PlayStation timed out. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So very firstly you must install and update the latest version of PlayStation on your device. For that you can simply go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you just need to search for PlayStation here. After you do that, you just need to install the PlayStation if it is available on your Google Play or the App Store of your region. Otherwise, you can just use VPN if you want to use it. After you have installed or updated the latest version, you must go on the setting of your device. Scroll down and down up until you see the very option of apps, and from the app on the top search bar you can simply search for PlayStation. And after searching for PlayStation you can simply open the PlayStation application, and you should force stop the Play Store application by tapping on the force stop option and clear all the cache and data by going on the storage option. By doing this you will be done. Now you can open your PlayStation again and see if it works or not. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.